Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks and another episode of What's in the Box. It's a bag. I know, we've had this discussion before. It comes in bags sometimes. And since this came from a train show, it came in a bag. So I stopped at a train show over the weekend and I got everything that's in this bag for under $100 and still wound up taking the rest of that C note and giving it as a donation to the club. All this money goes to the club's donation, so it kind of helped out. What I got was a brand new branch line Erie boxcar kit. Really nice. You remember that main central I did? That one's kind of finished. This one, I'm seriously thinking about putting the hobo in this one. I think that's what we're gonna do. This came with metal wheels and everything. So I mean, these are really nice. These are really nice kits. These branch lines. So I'll take you along for that build. And it might not be in the box. Came with the box parts. A Proto 2000. So this is a S1 switcher. Yeah, Alco S1 switcher. I've been looking for one of these, and I mean everything's here. One of the handrails are a little messed up on this side, but they're just out of position. So we'll get that fixed, and we'll get this thing wired up for a Dakota maybe. Yeah, nice. Someone did a nice job of painting the engineer inside. So we'll work on that. No box. I'll scour the eBay, see if I can find the box for it. It's got all the add-on stuff too, and the directions. Now, I've been looking for one of these for a long time, and I found it. I forget what these are, DD40s or DD44, but I've been wanting one of these. I don't know if the Pennsylvania had one. This is a dual engine unit, but the best part is that I not only find one, I found two. So these are both double engine units as far as I can tell. And we're going to take these apart and go through these shortly. What I paid for those, I wasn't going to argue. But what I really got that was really nice, and for what I paid for it, is a BA set of Proto 2000s PAs, Alco PAs. They looked pretty good. Really couldn't take them out of the box to look at them, but they're in here. It's 2 powered A units and a dummy. And for some reason, this dummy, I think it's powered. We're gonna get into those. These came in the boxes, and possibly the guy said one of these units has a sound decoder in it. So we're gonna look at that. But yeah, these all look pretty good. They all have the fans on top. I actually have another AB set of these, so now I got a nice nice set. So that's matching with that. And this is a different, numbers don't match, but I don't care. So we got these bad boys. So these are all going to be coming up on a couple episodes of the back shop, and stay tuned for that. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and the subscribe button's over here. Hit that. It's like, really, hit it. Double tap. And as always, guys, I'll catch you later.